My raspberry and ruby chocolate ice cream is a real gourmet treat. Let me show you how easy it is to make it. To 300 grams of milk, I'm adding 120 grams of raspberry puree. To 60 grams of xylitol, I'm adding 0.4 grams of xanthan gum and 0.6 grams of guar gum. Mix everything with 50 grams of skim milk powder. Bring the milk to 40 degrees Celsius and then add the dry ingredients, whisking constantly. Heat the entire mixture to 80 degrees Celsius and then remove the pot from the heat. Pour the cream over 120 grams of ruby chocolate and let it sit for 2 minutes. Then blend it smooth, and then with the blender running, pour in 350 grams of very cold whipping cream. Continue blending for 2 minutes. Then cover the ice cream base with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 8 hours. After 8 hours, peel off the plastic and blend the thickened ice cream base for 2 more minutes. Then churn it in your ice cream machine, following the manufacturer's instructions. Mine takes about half an hour. Put the soft ice cream into a frozen casserole, level it, and then freeze it for 6 hours. And after 6 hours, let it sit at room temperature for 10 minutes before you scoop it out. It scoops out beautifully. It's creamy, rich, and has that unmistakable tang, so characteristic for ruby chocolate. I really love it, and I hope you're gonna make it yourselves. Let me know in the comments below how it turns out for you. See you next time, dessert lovers!